I have been asking this question the entirety of the time that we've known there is a massive backlog of asylum seekers or illegal immigrants or whatever you want to call them in our court system. There's a 3.5 million person waiting list, which is why all of this stuff is so slow. I, again, would much rather be in the side of let's just kick the illegals out of the country and figure it out from there. The wait in Mexico policy that President Trump had in his first term was fantastic, but I've been wondering, why can't we get more judges to rule on these cases faster? Congress can approve it, but it looks like the president and the administration, President Trump, is going to do exactly what I've been lobbying for. First of all, maybe he's listening to me. Maybe that's the thing. Maybe President Trump is listening to me, in which case, thank you so much, sir, for actually instituting something that I've been saying for a very long time. Let's bring our panel back, Kristen and Bo. Kristen, this is really, really interesting. So the Pentagon is now saying that military lawyers can serve as temporary judges in immigration cases, specifically to clear this backlog. This is great news to me. I feel like this is why wasn't this happening to begin with? Do you think? I was just about to ask the question, do you think libs are going to have a fit about it? But I think we both know the answer to that. So Elder, do you think that this might be the solution to getting this backlog cleared and finally getting our country back on track after the rampant illegal immigration over the last 4 years?
Yes, when I read this, I had a raging heart on, making a heart here. Because, as the left is saying that this is undermining the courts. No, this isn't undermining the courts. What undermines the courts is a backlog so big that people stay here illegally for a decade before their hearing. I love this.
Yeah, it feels like, honestly, it's doing justice to people who are afforded the right to a quick trial, which, hey, here you go. Here's your quick trial. Bo, I kind of feel like once all of this backlog is cleared out, I think the country's going to start running way more smoothly because you've got you still have two competing problems. Yes, the border is stopped with President Trump in power. Nobody's coming in. But at the same time, you still got millions of people here illegally. Once you get through that process, I don't know. I feel like things are going to run a bunch smoother. Is there any reason why we wouldn't do something like this?
I can't imagine why we wouldn't do something like this. And I can't imagine more people aren't signing up. Why do we need lawyers at all to do this? I mean, the law system's broken. We were just talking about the school system. In my personal opinion, most lawyers can't define what a woman is. So how are they going to know what an illegal is versus an illegal isn't? I'll sign up. Trump, you need an extra? I have one question. No illegal? Illegal. It's like, and then depending on how they answer, move them right along. So I agree with you, though. I do think that when we get people out of this country, things will come back to, prices will drop, at least in housing, and things will come back to a more functional society that we have because it's run amok right now.
I want to go on record in saying that I don't know if I endorse Bo's appointment to be immigration
come
judge. I just want to say that on the record right here. I love you as a person, dude, but I don't know if I don't know if I just want to stoop that low.
All right, leave it in the comments below, guys, whether you think I should be an immigration lawyer or not.
We'll show that to the president. Hey, this guy is a comedian and he has no legal experience whatsoever, but we did get 1,000 signatures saying that he should be an immigration judge, so we're going to go with that.
That should be about enough.